Imagine this. You walk into Costco, the place everyone swears by when it comes to saving money, and suddenly it hits you. This isn't just a warehouse. It's a battleground. The shelves are stacked high. The carts are the size of small cars. And the deals, well, some of them are life-changing if you actually know where to look. But here's the dirty little secret. Most people don't. They walk right past the best savings in the store and end up overpaying for years. And for seniors living on a fixed income, that's not just inconvenient, that's devastating. So today, we're exposing the real Costco products that can save seniors serious money, health, and headaches. And trust me, this isn't your boring coupon clipping advice. These are the hidden gems corporate doesn't shout about. By the end, you'll know how to turn your Costco membership into a money-saving machine. But before we dive in, if this video helps you even once to save cash, smash that like button and subscribe. Because at Frugal Pro, we believe spending smart is better than spending more. Alright, let's start with the deal that's become almost a legend. Costco's famous rotisserie chicken. Every store has its bait, and at Costco, it's that glorious $4.99 rotisserie chicken. The price hasn't budged in over a decade. Meanwhile, everything else in America has gone up faster than your blood pressure during tax season. But Costco's bird locked in at under $5. And this isn't some sad little chicken that looks like it skipped leg day. We're talking about a 3-pound juicy golden-skinned powerhouse. One bird feeds a family dinner, then somehow still stretches into chicken salad, soups, or sandwiches. It's like the chicken that keeps on giving. The gift card of the poultry world. Here's the kicker. Costco actually loses money on every chicken they sell. That's right. It's what we call a loss leader. They hook you with the chicken, then count on you filling your cart with a $200 haul of other stuff. So, yeah, that chicken may cost $5, but by the time you roll out of there with a kayak, a box of muffins the size of your head, and a lifetime supply of toilet paper, Costco's already won. For seniors, it's a no-brainer. You save on cooking, on prep time, and you get real protein without standing over a stove. Arthritis in your hands? Doesn't matter. The chicken's already cooked. All you have to do is carve it up and enjoy. Kirkland Signature Hearing Aids. Now let's get serious for a second. 1 in 3 people over 65 struggles with hearing loss, and the hearing aid industry knows it. That's why most companies charge like they're selling you a Ferrari instead of a pair of earbuds. Average price around $4,600 a pair. That's not healthcare, that's highway robbery. Costco's answer, their Kirkland Signature Hearing Aids for about $1,199 a pair. That's nearly a third of the usual price. And this isn't some stripped-down bare-bones version. You get the full package, free hearing tests, professional fittings, Bluetooth streaming. Yes, you can finally hear the TV without blasting the volume like a rock concert. Rechargeable batteries, and 6 months to try them risk-free. 6 months. That's enough time to hear your grandkids tell you about their TikToks, your neighbor's lawnmower that never shuts up, and every squeaky floorboard in your house. And if you don't like them, Costco gives your money back. No questions asked. Other retailers nickel and dime you for every follow-up adjustment and battery replacement. Costco just builds it all in. So instead of draining your retirement fund on hidden fees, you're left with money to actually enjoy life and hear it too. Prescription eyeglasses at half the price. Alright, let's move from hearing to seeing because the next thing on this list will make you squint. Not from bad eyesight, but from disbelief at how much you've been overpaying. Prescription eyeglasses. At most optical shops, you're looking at $300 for a pair of frames that probably cost the manufacturer $10 to make. Throw in special lenses, coatings, bifocals. Suddenly, you're dropping more on glasses than you do on groceries for the month. Costco flips the script. Frames that cost $300 elsewhere, $150 here. And we're not talking about knockoff brands either. You'll find Ray-Ban, Oakley, and even Kirkland's own surprisingly solid line. Plus, many Costco locations have on-site optometrists, so you can literally get your eye exam and walk out with glasses the same day. No extra appointments, no insurance paperwork circus. And for seniors where vision changes more often than the weather, this matters. You need affordable updates. You need backup pairs. Costco makes that possible without draining your social security check. Vitamins and supplements that don't rob you blind. Now let's talk pills. Not the kind your doctor prescribes, but the vitamins and supplements that seniors rely on daily. Vitamin D for bones, omega-3 for your heart, multivitamins for everything in between. Walk into a drugstore and you'll find bottles so small you'd think they were selling diamonds instead of vitamin C. And the price per pill? Outrageous. It's like buying bananas by the slice instead of the bunch. Costco's Kirkland Signature Vitamins, flip that on its head. We're talking bulk bottles with hundreds of tablets for a fraction of the price. And before you worry about quality, here's the secret. Many Kirkland supplements are identical to name brands, sometimes even made in the same facilities. The only thing missing, the marketing budget. For seniors on fixed incomes, this isn't just a nice perk. It's the difference between taking your supplements every day versus skipping them because they're too expensive. Costco's bulk bottles make long-term health affordable, and when you're saving 50 to 70% compared to CVS or Walgreens, that membership card practically pays for itself. So, in just the first aisle sweep, we've already covered a chicken that's practically America's cheapest dinner plan, hearing aids that save you thousands, glasses at half price, and supplements that don't require a second mortgage. And trust me, we're just warming up because Costco's warehouse of secrets runs deep. And the next items on this list, they'll make you rethink everything you thought you knew about shopping smart. Let's dive into the next set of products that can save seniors and honestly everyone else a ton of money and hassle. Kirkland Signature Coffee, designer taste without designer prices. Let's start with the one thing that keeps half of America upright in the morning. Coffee. Most people don't think about it, but coffee has turned into a luxury item. Starbucks will happily charge you $6 for what amounts to brown water with milk. Do that every day, and you're bleeding hundreds of dollars a month just to stay awake. Costco says nope. Enter Kirkland Signature Coffee. Massive 2.5 to 3 lb bags that make roughly 120 cups each. That's about 33 cents per cup, 33 cents less than a pack of gum. Meanwhile, at your local cafe, that's not even enough for them to let you smell the beans. Here's the twist that Starbucks doesn't want you to know. Some of those Kirkland bags are literally roasted by Starbucks. Same beans, same machines, but with a Kirkland label and a fraction of the price. It's like buying a Mercedes with a Kia badge on it. And it drives exactly the same. And the quality, legit rich flavor, antioxidants for your health, options in decaf, organic, and different roasts. You store it right, it stays fresh for months. For seniors trying to stretch every dollar, Costco coffee is the ultimate upgrade that doesn't feel like a downgrade. Olive oil that would make an Italian grandmother proud. Now let's move into the kitchen. Cooking oil isn't something most people think too hard about until you realize how overpriced premium bottles can be. Walk into Whole Foods and they'll charge you $20 for a single fancy-looking glass bottle of extra virgin. Costco, you can grab a Kirkland Signature Organic Extra Virgin Olive Oil in a massive 2L bottle for way less. And it's not some shady, watered-down knockoff. It's cold rest, USDA organic, and rivals premium imports in both flavor and quality. This isn't just about taste, either. Olive oil is one of the healthiest fats you can cook with, supporting heart health, reducing inflammation, and keeping cholesterol in check. For seniors who are laser-focused on keeping the doctor off speed dial, this oil is a lifesaver. It's like getting premium gasoline at regular prices, except this one actually improves your body instead of your car. One bottle can last for months, and when stored properly, it keeps its flavor and nutritional benefits intact. So, if you've been overpaying for tiny boutique bottles, Costco just handed you a way to save money and still cook, like you're on a Mediterranean vacation. Greek yogurt that doesn't break the bank. Next up, let's talk about the dairy aisle. Specifically, Costco's Kirkland Signature Organic Greek Yogurt. Look, the yogurt aisle at a regular grocery store is basically a scam. Tiny single-serve cups for $1.50 each that barely hold 3 spoonfuls. You want enough protein to keep you full? You're dropping $20 a week? Easy. Costco flips the script with giant tubs of thick, creamy, organic Greek yogurt at a fraction of the cost. Packed with protein, probiotics for digestive health, and no sketchy additives, this stuff isn't just a snack, it's fuel. Seniors especially benefit from the protein to maintain muscle mass, and the probiotics to keep digestion running smoothly. It's like a protein shake that doesn't taste like drywall powder. You can use it in smoothies, parfaits, even baking. It's versatile, it's healthy, and it's cheap. And when you're shopping smart, versatility is everything. Memory foam mattress. Costco's secret sleep weapon. Now, let's move to something bigger. Much bigger, because all the vitamins and protein in the world don't matter if you're not sleeping well. And let's face it, finding a good mattress is like dating. You'll go through a few expensive mistakes before you finally find the one. But Costco, they're making it way easier with their Kirkland Signature Memory Foam Mattress. High-quality, Certi-Pure US foam designed to reduce joint pain, support your spine, and keep you cool at night for a fraction of what mattress stores charge. A 10-year warranty means you don't have to stress about waking up one day with your bed sagging like a hammock. Customer reviews are glowing with people swearing they've had the best sleep of their lives after switching. And the price way below the ridiculous markup you'll find at mattress showrooms where salesmen hover like vultures. For seniors, this isn't a luxury, it's a health necessity. Poor sleep leads to everything from memory problems to higher risk of falls. Costco's mattress helps fix that without you needing to re-mortgage the house. It's like finally kicking that lumpy, back-breaking bed out of your life and replacing it with something that actually cares about you. By now, we've covered everything from the chicken that defies inflation to coffee that secretly has Starbucks DNA. But Costco's treasure chest doesn't stop there. Because when you start digging into seafood, produce, and even pantry staples, that's when you realize Costco is practically daring you not to save money. Let's crack open the next set of warehouse gold. Wild-caught salmon, medicine that tastes like dinner. Seafood aisle. Let's be real. Buying salmon at your local supermarket is a gamble. Sometimes you get a fresh cut. Sometimes you get something that smells like it's been on a road trip through the desert. And don't even get me started on the prices. Costco delivers fresh or frozen wild-caught salmon that's not only cheaper per pound, but also way higher in quality. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, this isn't just dinner. It's brain food, heart food, and basically the superhero of proteins. It's like eating medicine that actually tastes good instead of swallowing chalky pills. And because Costco sells it in big portions, you can split it up into individual servings. Freeze it, and boom, you've got healthy meals lined up for weeks. Cooking is easy too. Bake it, grill it, pan-sear it, whatever. The natural oils in wild salmon protect it from drying out. So even if you're not Gordon Ramsay, you'll still feel like you nailed it. Organic produce, a farmer's market without the farmer's tan. Now, let's hit the produce section, specifically Costco's organic fruits and vegetables. Normally, buying organic feels like paying rent on a second apartment. Tiny clamshell of berries for $7. Lettuce that costs more than steak? No thanks. Costco flips the script by selling bulk organic produce at prices that beat specialty stores. Berries, apples, leafy greens, seasonal veggies, all fresher than what you'll see at your local chain grocery. Why? Because Costco's turnover is insane. Stuff doesn't sit around collecting dust. It moves fast. It's like having a farmer's market inside a warehouse, but without waking up at 6 a.m. or pretending you care about a farmer's life story just to buy some carrots. And the variety keeps meals interesting, so you're not stuck eating the same sad salad every week. For seniors on a fixed income, it means you can actually eat healthy without needing a second mortgage. Kirkland coconut oil, the Swiss Army knife of Costco. Now here's where things get fun. You think coconut oil is just for cooking? Think again. Costco sells giant tubs of organic extra virgin coconut oil that are basically the Swiss Army knife of household products. You can cook with it, bake with it, moisturize your skin, treat your hair, even use it as a natural alternative to half the overpriced beauty products lining drugstore shelves. And Costco sells it for way less than boutique brands that try to convince you their jar is sprinkled with fairy dust. One tub can last months, and since coconut oil solidifies at room temperature and melts when heated, it's basically the mood ring of your kitchen. Plus, it smells like vacation. Who doesn't want their stir-fry to come with tropical vibes? For seniors, this isn't just about saving money, it's about simplifying. One product that does the work of five. Less clutter, less cost, more value. Kirkland avocado oil, the celebrity chef's secret. While we're talking oils, let's not skip Costco's organic avocado oil. Chefs love this stuff, but the price in specialty stores is enough to make you swear off guacamole forever. Costco makes it affordable. Here's why it's special. Avocado oil has one of the highest smoke points of any cooking oil. Translation: you can crank the heat without turning your kitchen into a smoke-filled disaster zone. It's neutral in flavor, so it doesn't overpower your food. And it's loaded with the same heart-healthy fats that make avocados Instagram's favorite fruit. It's basically the oil that lets you cook like a Food Network star without needing a Food Network budget. For seniors trying to eat healthier, it's the perfect way to sauté veggies or grill fish without guilt. Kirkland low-sodium soups. Comfort food that doesn't kill your blood pressure. Now, let's get cozy. Picture this. It's cold outside. You're tired. And the last thing you want to do is chop onions for an hour. Enter Kirkland's signature low-sodium soups. These come in bulk cans, ready to heat and loaded with heart-healthy ingredients. Chicken, lentil, vegetable, all flavorful. None of the sodium bombs you'll find in typical canned soups. For seniors managing blood pressure or heart conditions, this is a game changer. You get comfort food without the guilt. Plus, bulk packs mean you've always got an emergency meal ready to go. It's like having a personal chef in a can without the attitude or the paycheck. And honestly, the taste holds up. Thick, hearty, satisfying. None of that watery nonsense that makes you wonder if the soup company accidentally watered down the product with tears of disappointment. We've gone through the chicken, the salmon, the oils, and even the bargain eyeglasses, but Costco still hides a couple of quiet heroes, items that may not grab headlines, but absolutely matter for seniors trying to stretch their dollars. Kirkland adult diapers. Comfort without the premium price. Not the most glamorous aisle, but let's be honest, for millions of seniors, incontinence products are a daily need. Drugstores, they'll rob you blind with tiny packs at sky-high prices. Costco's Kirkland adult diapers cut the cost per unit in half, and they actually work. Soft, discreet, and secure. No embarrassing crinkle sounds, no leaks, just peace of mind. Instead of making constant awkward trips to the pharmacy, you stock up once and relax. It's dignity on a budget, and for many, it's a game changer. Kirkland protein and fiber bars, pocket-sized power. For snacks, most stores push $3 protein bars that taste like cardboard in disguise. Costco's Kirkland bars flip the script. Bulk packs bring them under $1 each, and they're actually tasty. High in protein, decent fiber, low in sugar. It's like carrying a mini meal replacement in your pocket. Energy on the go without the sugar crash or wallet pain. The bigger picture. These might not sound as exciting as a $4.99 chicken or half-price eyeglasses, but together they prove one thing. Costco knows how to deliver real value for seniors. Whether it's food, healthcare, or essentials, the formula is the same. Bulk pricing, trusted quality, and savings that stack up over time. For anyone living on a fixed income, those savings aren't just numbers on a receipt. They're freedom. Freedom to enjoy your retirement without stressing about every single purchase. So, here's the takeaway. Costco isn't just about buying giant tubs of peanut butter. It's about knowing which items actually save you serious money. The chicken, the salmon, the glasses, the diapers, the protein bars. Play it smart and you're not just shopping, you're winning. If this video helped you uncover some hidden Costco gold, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite Costco find. At Frugal Pro, we believe in spending smart, living better, and never paying full price when you don't have to.